Many of you will agree with the old phrase that an Englishman's home is his castle, and if so, you will herald this story as a victory for farmer Mr. Hooper, who used that very argument in his 4-day trial, when last summer he used a tractor to remove a Vauxhall Corsa from a lane outside his farm in County Durham. Mr. Hooper, aged 57, was cleared of dangerous driving and criminal damage by the jury, and a job well done, you might say, for defence counsel Mr. Michael Rawlinson, who, when defending Mr. Hooper, quoted Mike Tyson, saying everyone has a plan until they get punched in the mouth. Because this is exactly what Mr. Hooper said happened. He said he had been punched twice when he politely asked the driver of this vehicle to move because they were blocking access during a busy day on the farm. Let's watch the clip. Sky News reports that the shirtless passenger, 21-year-old Mr. Burns, had been visiting the area that day and had drunk up to 7 bottles of lager, and claimed that he was intending to walk the 52 miles back to South Tyneside. Now, by no means am I encouraging anybody to take this kind of action, but Mr. Hooper, in his defence, said that he felt threatened and that an Englishman's home is his castle, and my castle starts at the front gate. In closing remarks, prosecuting counsel David Ward told the jury that Mr. Hooper was a thug and that his actions were utterly irrational, whereas defence counsel, as I said, quoted Mike Tyson, and the jury acquitted Mr. Hooper on both charges. Now, whilst many people will welcome this news and acquittal of Mr. Harper, please don't forget that taking such actions is likely to result in a prosecution, which is likely to take many, many months of your life and cause a great deal of anguish and anxiety, and ultimately there is no guarantee that any such defence is going to work. And if convicted of dangerous driving and criminal damage in this case, the penalty could be severe, and in all likelihood, a prison sentence. So whilst Mr. Hooper and his local community are happy about the result, please do heed my warning about reacting to these kind of things and instead call the police. So as always, please remember to subscribe, and thanks for watching.